And welcome to Coffs Harbour in New South Wales, Coffs Harbour Showground, ministered by a trust on behalf of the state government. We just thought we'd show you some of the history that they're destroying before it's all gone. Straight ahead there you can see what used to be a historic pavilion, named after people who put a lot of work into the showground, and it's destroyed, gone. Sideshow alley, gone. Why? Because they're building this new, just forget, $4 million grandstand, I think it is, and put it right on where Sideshow Alley is. You don't get much for $4 million these days, do you? 2 concrete stands. Not sure, they'll probably have some sort of roof over them. Surely they'll have shade cloth or something like that. But more importantly too, look, probably quarter of the ring gone. This is the ring fence in front here, and some of the ring's gone. So if you enjoyed coming to the Coffs Harbour show, well, not saying don't come to the show, but it's never going to be the same. Not sure where they're going to put Sideshow Alley, because on the other side over here, where the showmen used to camp, is World Skills, so there's nowhere for the showmen to camp over there. We had that building down there put on Sideshow Alley, but not really sure why this grandstand couldn't have went over where the other one was. Oh, they're probably given it to the caravan park. But anyhow, this is what $4 million extensions at the Coffs Harbour Showground looks like. Tell us your comments on it, whether you value history. I know when the trust I was on here, we tried to get this building down here called the Showmen's building. No, Banksia room or something like that. There's not even any Banksia trees around here, but nevertheless, it shows you how quickly history can go, but that's pretty typical of what's happening in Australia. So the old grandstand, gone. Originally they were going to cut it up and move around the showground when Steve was the manager here, but obviously that's not happening now, and this is the new grandstand, $4 million. Hit the like button, tell us about your showground, what's happening.